Science and Technology Part 1 Chapter 2 Periodic Classification of Elements. Early knowledge. Initially, only till 30 elements were known by 1800. By now, 118 elements are recognized. Initial grouping was into metals and nonmetals, later extending to metalloids. Dilberiner's triads, 1817, elements group in triads based on similar properties and mean atomic masses. Limitation: not all elements could be classified using this method. Newland's law of octaves, 1866, elements arranged by increasing atomic mass showed every eighth element had similar properties, like musical octaves. Limitations of Newland's law of octaves valid only up to calcium. Inappropriate grouping of dissimilar elements. No provision for new elements. Mendeleev's periodic table, 1869 to 1872, based on atomic masses and chemical/physical properties. Key merits: predicted undiscovered elements, for example, icoboron, a dagger, scandium. Adjusted atomic masses for correct placement. Accommodated noble gases in a new zero group. Limitations: indifferent. Ambiguity with isotopes and identical atomic masses, for example, Co and Ni. Uncertainty in hydrogen's position. Modern periodic law and table, indifferent. Modern periodic law, 1913, Henry Moseley. Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Structure of the modern periodic table: groups 1-18, vertical columns. Periods 1-7, horizontal rows. Blocks in periodic table: S block, groups 1-2, P block, groups 13-18, D block, groups 3-12, F block, lanthanids/actinids. Zigzag line separates metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Periodic trends: valency, indifferent. Valency, determined by valence electrons, remains constant in a group but increases across a period. 1, a dagger. 8. Periodic trends: atomic size across a period decreases due to increasing nuclear charge pulling electrons closer. Down a group increases as new shells are added. Metallic and non-metallic character: indifferent. Metallic character increases down a group, decreases across a period. Non-metallic character decreases down a group, increases across a period. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.